Every night, Earth drags a dead world across the sky. To the modern world, the moon is just a barren rock, a cosmic fossil. But the data tells a different story. From bizarre seismic echoes to phantom flashes of light in dead craters, our closest neighbor is hiding something. Scientists are starting to realize that this gray rock isn't what it seems. The moon has a secret life, and the reality is far stranger than fiction. The impossible origin. Where did it actually come from? In our solar system, small rocky worlds don't have massive moons. Mercury and Venus have none. Mars has 2 tiny asteroids. Earth, however, has a giant. The standard theory says a rogue planet smashed into Earth billions of years ago, ripping away the debris that formed the moon. It sounds perfect. Until you look at the atoms. Apollo samples revealed that the moon's chemical signature is exactly identical to Earth's. This shouldn't happen. The moon should carry the genetic code of the planet that hit us. Instead, it's a perfect mirror. Scientists are left with a paradox. The moon's origin may be far stranger than expected. It looks less like a random collision and more like it was violently torn directly from our own planet's core. But its chaotic birth was only the first anomaly. Deep beneath the gray dust, the ground itself shouldn't behave the way it does. The echo. In November 1969, NASA intentionally crashed an empty lunar module into the moon to test their seismic equipment. They expected a minor thump. Instead, the moon vibrated. It rang like a giant cathedral bell for over an hour. During Apollo 13, a heavier rocket stage was crashed. The moon reverberated for over 3 hours, sending shock waves 25 miles deep. On Earth, seismic waves fade quickly. The moon's didn't. The moon is not solid. Its interior is fractured, unstable, and filled with massive hidden voids. Mainstream science still cannot map them. But the moon's interior wasn't the only thing behaving strangely. The dead surface was about to wake up. The phantom lights. For centuries, astronomers have reported seeing things on the moon that shouldn't exist. Blinding flashes of light, moving glowing spots, red and blue mists hovering over dead plains. Scientists call them TLPs, transient lunar phenomena. For decades, these reports were dismissed as illusions. Then NASA looked, and they saw them too. Over 50% of these ghost lights happen in just a few specific locations, like the Aristarchus crater. The moon has no volcanic activity, it has no atmosphere. So what is waking up the dark? The data remains controversial. Some scientists point to solar radiation creating static electricity in the dust. Others suggest deep pockets of radon gas are leaking into space. Whatever the cause, it proves one thing. The moon is not as dead as we thought. Yet these phantom lights are nothing compared to the secrets frozen in total darkness, the abyss. At the lunar poles, there are canyons where the sun never shines. For over 2 billion years, not a single photon of light has touched the bottom of these craters. Temperatures here drop to minus 250 degrees Celsius. It is colder than the surface of Pluto. Because it is a permanent cosmic freezer, whatever lands there stays forever. And satellites recently confirmed the unthinkable. Billions of tons of ancient water ice are hiding in the dark. This ice, delivered by comets billions of years ago, is an untouched library of the early cosmos. What else is trapped down there in the dark? Ancient organic molecules, extraterrestrial building blocks. Space agencies are now racing to send rovers into these frozen abysses, because the deeper we dig, the more the moon looks less like a random rock and more like a glitch in the cosmic matrix, the lock. Beyond the ice and the echoes lies an unsettling physical reality. The moon is tidally locked to Earth. Its rotation matches its orbit so perfectly that it only ever shows us one face. It has kept its backside hidden from humanity for millions of years. This creates a chilling realization. Without this exact alignment, Earth would struggle. The moon's gravity acts as a gravitational stabilizer. Without it, our planet's tilt would wobble chaotically. Seasons would vanish, oceans would violently shift, and life on Earth may never have evolved the same way. Astronomers still debate the sheer improbability of our planet's satellite system. The moon may be one of the main reasons life on Earth survived long enough to look back at it. For thousands of years, humanity looked at the moon and saw a silent rock. But silence does not mean lifeless. The moon is a celestial anchor, a world of hollow echoes, ghost lights, and frozen secrets. And after everything we've discovered, the moon still refuses to explain itself. Which of these anomalies breaks your brain the most? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next deep dive.